Meaning of forbiddingly.
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 Forbiddingly. Forbiddingly is an adverb that describes something as unfriendly, intimidating, or unapproachable. It conveys a sense of sternness or severity that can make people feel uncomfortable or hesitant to interact with the subject at hand. This word often implies a strong and intimidating presence that discourages others from approaching or engaging with whatever it describes. For example, a forbiddingly high wall could suggest that entry to a place is restricted and unwelcoming. In general, forbiddingly describes something that is so intimidating that it deters any attempts at contact or interaction.